A day at the airport. Tom and Emma are very excited. They are going to the airport for their first flight. It is a sunny Saturday morning. They arrive at the airport with their parents. The building is big and busy. There are many people everywhere. First, they check in. A nice lady at the counter smiles and takes their bags. "Have a great trip," she says. Tom and Emma wave goodbye to their bags, and their adventure begins. Next, they go through security. They walk through a big machine. Beep, beep! The machine makes funny sounds. Tom and Emma take off their shoes and put them in a box. After a few minutes, they are free to go. They laugh and put their shoes back. Now they find their gate. It is gate 5. They sit and wait. Tom looks at the planes. They are so big. Emma eats a snack. She has cookies and juice. "Yum," she says. After a while, they hear an announcement. Flight 123 to London is boarding at gate 5. Tom and Emma jump up with joy. They line up with their parents. Soon it is their turn to go on the plane. On the plane, they sit by the window. The flight attendant gives them headphones and a small snack. Tom looks out the window and sees the airport getting smaller. "Wow," he says, smiling. The plane takes off into the sky. Tom and Emma are happy. They are on their way to a new adventure.